Hey everyone! If you're an e-commerce owner looking to source products, you might think Alibaba is your only option. But guess what? There are a bunch of alternatives out there that might even work better for you. Let's dive into some of these options, starting with global sources. It's a massive marketplace with over 1.5 million suppliers focusing on electronics and more. The cool thing? Suppliers here are typically more established, which might mean higher quality but also higher minimum orders. Next up, the Canton Fair in Guangzhou, China. It's massive. Imagine finding everything from electronics to toys, meeting suppliers face-to-face, and even negotiating deals right there. Yes, it does mean traveling to China, but the first-hand experience is unbeatable. Now, if you're digging deep, why not check US import records? Tools like Jungle Scout let you peek into who's importing what and from whom. It's a brilliant way to scope out your competition's supply chain. And for those who want a local touch, consider a China sourcing agent. These pros connect you directly with factories, helping with negotiations and ensuring quality control. Though it costs a bit, having someone on the ground can be a game changer. Don't forget about Made in China and DHgate, each offering vast directories of suppliers with a focus on different product categories. Each platform has its perks, whether it's product variety or buyer protection programs. And for the tech savvy, there's 1688.com, Alibaba's twin but in Chinese, catering specifically to the local market. It's a treasure trove of products at possibly lower prices, though you might need a little help with the language barrier. Lastly, don't overlook newer platforms like China Brands for dropshipping or Chinavision for electronics. These sites offer flexible order quantities and a range of products, though remember, quality varies. So there you have it. Alibaba might be the giant, but these alternatives provide valuable opportunities to diversify your sourcing and potentially find better deals and products. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're eager to dive deeper into the world of e-commerce, check out my free mini course available right here. Let's get your business booming.